The sky is dark. The sky is dark. It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. I am taking an umbrella. I am taking an umbrella. I am opening the umbrella. I am opening the umbrella.
I am going outside. I am going outside.
I am under the umbrella. I am under the umbrella. The rain is falling fast. The rain is falling fast. I am stopping near the shop. I am stopping near the shop. I am waiting for the rain to stop. I am waiting for the rain to stop.
My clothes are getting wet. My clothes are getting wet.
The wind is moving my umbrella. The wind is moving my umbrella. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. Hello, I am waiting. Hello, I am waiting.
Hello, it is raining heavily. Hello, it is raining heavily.
Yes, the rain is very strong. Yes, the rain is very strong.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
I am near a shop. I am near a shop. I have an umbrella. I have an umbrella.
That is good. That is good.
The wind is very strong. The wind is very strong.
Hold your umbrella tightly. Hold your umbrella tightly. Are you safe? Are you safe?
Yes, I am safe. Yes, I am safe.
Are you wet? Are you wet?
Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit.
I am worried about you. I am worried about you.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay, come home fast. Okay, come home fast.
I will come soon. I will come soon.
I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you.
I am leaving the shop now. I am leaving the shop now. I feel tired. I feel tired. I will rest now. I will rest now.